All right, so we've got a lot of different holiday things coming up, and it's always nice to have a go-to makeup look that's a little elevated than what you might do every day. So I got some products from Sorme, and it's nice because it really elevates my eye look. So I got a quad eyeshadow, I got a nice nude lipstick, and then I got an eyeliner from them. So I'm gonna show you how I used these products to create this look on this eye. So first I start with just using my eyeliner brush with the darkest color here and doing that under my eye. I don't like using black under my eye because I think it's a little too, I take a blending brush, sorry, and I do it in this kind of peachy color. And I just put it in my crease and kind of blend it out a little bit towards the inner corner of my eye. Good enough. Okay, and then I take a flat eyeshadow brush and there are